Yes. Hi everybody. Second year Maths 2B, sixth chapter integration log questions. Okay. So fifth question, integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. So in the previous class also I told whenever the question consists either cos or sine or cos and sine, immediately we have to assume let tan x by 2 is equal to t. Must take these values. Then dx becomes 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square. What is cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. First we have to take these whenever the question consists either in terms of cos or in terms of sine, or it consists both cos and sine. Okay. So now 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx becomes 1 by 5 means 5 plus 4 means 4. Cos means what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And dx means what? Dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now we have to simplify this. 1 into 2, 2. And denominator 1 plus t square is the LCM for the denominator. So 1 plus t square into 5 becomes 5 plus 5 t square, and plus 4 into 1 plus 4, 4 into minus t square minus 4 t square, and into dt by 1 plus t square as it is. And both terms are same, gets cancelled. The remaining 2 is constant, we can write outside. So 2 into integration of 1 by 5 t square and minus 4 t square. How much? 1 t square plus 5 plus 4, how much? 9, and dt is remaining. Okay. So which is equal 2 into integration of, this is the form of t square plus 3 square. 9 is what? 3 square. So it looks like integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx. What is integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx? Or what is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Tan inverse x. So using that formula, integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx becomes 1 by a into tan of x by a. So this is the formula. First, derivation of sine inverse x, derivation of cos inverse x, derivation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So now this is the form of a square plus x square. So what we can write, which is equal to 1 by a into tan of x by a formula. So here we get t by 3. A means 3, x means t. So 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a into. So here a means what? 3. So which is equal to 2 into 1 by a means 1 by 3 tan inverse x by a. X by a means what? T by 3. T by 3 plus c. So 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 tan inverse t by 3. T means what? T means tan x by 2. So tan x by 2 and by 3 by 3. Thus this is the answer of given question. Very simple one. Okay. Similarly, let us take one more question. I have given in the previous part that I told you do those problems, but many of you are asking about those problems. That's why in this part I am teaching those problems. Okay. Let's take next one. Yes, next sixth question. Of course, means same. What is first step? Let tan x by 2 is equal to t, and dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now take the question 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx becomes, which is equal to 1 by 3 means 3. Cos x means what? What is cos x? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and plus 4 into sin x means 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 dx means what? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now which is called integration of, see, denominator 1 plus t square is the LCM. Now 3 into 1, 3, 3 into minus t square, minus 3t square. Next, what is this bracket? 4 into 2t, 8t plus 6 is there. 6 but 6 does not contain denominator. So 6 into 1 plus t square is 6 plus 6t square. 1 by into 2 into dt by 1 plus t square as it is. So now 1 plus t square gets cancelled. So which is called 2 is remaining, 2 into 1 2. Next to t square comes here, 6 t squares are there, here 3 t square there. So 6 t square minus 3 t square becomes 3 t square, and the remaining constant 8 t. T term is only 8 t. And numbers 3 plus 6 becomes 9, and dt is remaining. Okay, so 2 you can write outside, and here how to simplify this? This is not any square of any term. So how can we simplify this? So now onwards we have some different kind of simplification. That simplification also will use in next to parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. There also those type of functions we can see. Here is equal 2 I am writing outside, and in the denominator t square coefficient 3. Whatever t square coefficient is there, take that common. So here 3 is the coefficient of t square, so take 3 is common. So by 3, by taking 3 common we get t square plus 8t by 3 plus 9 by 3. 9 by 3 means what? 3. Okay, that is clear. So in each and every term 3 is taken as common because of, yes, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so it is equal to 2 by 3 into, so we have to express this one like a plus b whole square to get a plus b whole square. So here I am going to get t square plus something is there. So 8 can be written as 2 into how much? Because of a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square formula, or minus is there also same. So 2 compulsory we have to write. So 8 can be expressed 2 into what? 4t by 3. Am I right? 2 into 4t by 3. So a square plus 2a. A means what? T is a. So b means 4 by 3. So in this way we can express this 8t by 3 like 2 into t into 4 by 3. Why I am writing 2 into t into 4 by 3? Because of 2 must write whatever the term. 6 is there, write 2 into 3. If 10 is there, write 2 into 5. If 12 is there, write 2 into 6. And t must write first. The remaining if you take 2 common, 4 by 3 is remaining. Remaining can be write in place of b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square needed. So that's why plus 4 by 3 whole square I am adding, and 3 3 are these 3 writing here, 3 writing as this, and minus 4 by 3 whole square I am writing as this. Okay. See here, 4 by 3 whole square is added and subtracted because of it is needed to satisfy a plus b whole square. I am taking 4 by 3 only because of when it is split in terms of 2 into t into something, something becomes 2 4 ja 8t, 2 4 ja only. So 4 by 3 card. That's why 4 by 3 square added and subtracted. Of course, next standard sum also in this model. So there are some. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means what? A plus b whole square. So which is equal 2 by 3 into integration of a plus b whole square means a plus 4 by 3 whole square. And plus simplify this in the rough 4 by 3 whole square means 16 by 9. How much? 9 3 ja 18 minus 16 how much? 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 means what? Root 2 by 3 whole square. So root 2 by 3 whole square dt. Is it okay? Okay. Sorry here 9 3 27 minus 16 how much? 11. So root 11 by 3 means 11 by 9 means root 11 by 3 whole square. So root 11 by 3 whole square. Now apply integration of 1 by x square plus a square formula. Just now we used it in the previous 5th question. What is integration of 1 by a square plus x square or x square plus a square dx formula? Is what? 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So same formula here also. Same that formula only. 2 by 3 into 1 by a. 1 by a means here root 11 by 3 into tan inverse x by a. Here x means t plus 4 by 2. By a means root 11 by 2 and plus 6. So this is the answer. 3 gets cancelled. We get just 2 by root 11 only here into tan inverse. So see 3 into t. 3t plus 4 by 3 and root 11 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled plus c. So completed. What is t? T means tan x by 2. So which is called 2 by 11 into tan inverse of 3 into t means what? Tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 and plus 6. This is the answer. That's it. Next, second question. Integration 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. Same tan x by d equal to dx equals sin x per cos x. Now take the question 4 plus 5 sin x dx. So which is equal, we can write integration 1 by 4 plus 5 into sin x means what? 2t by 1 plus t square into dx means what? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So we should simplify this. 1 plus t square into 4. So here 1 plus t square will be denominator. 1 plus t square into 4 becomes 4 plus 4t square plus 5 into 2t is 10dt and into 2 dt by 1 plus t square gets cancelled. Now which is equal integration of 1 by c 4t square plus 10t plus 4 is there. So in each and every term t square coefficient is 4. Okay, I'm writing again 4t square plus 10t plus 4. Normally I have written 2 into dt. Now here 4 can be taken common because of t square coefficient what? 4. That's why take 4 common. And 2 is there, 2 right outside. So in here 4 I am taking common. So becomes t square plus 10 by 4. 10 by 4 means what? 5 by 2 plus 4 by 1 is 1 dt. Of course 1 gets cancelled. So next which is called 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by. Again we should think in the same way. So first t square like as this. The second term should be write 2 into something. So how can we write that 5 2 into something? If 4 is there, we can write 2 into 2. 6 is there, we can write 2 into 3. Okay now? So even number is there, no problem. But here 5 is there, how can we write 2 into something? 5 can be written as 2 into 5 by 2. So here already 5 by 2 is there, so it can be written as 2 into 5 by 4. Alright? So that 5 by 2 is going to be write as 2 into 5 by 4. And into t means into the as. So now what is added here? 5 by 4 is whole square is added. So plus 5 by 4 whole square added, remove this. And plus 1 is there, after writing plus 1 minus 5 by 4 means 5 by 4 subtract into d. Okay? So now here that middle term 5 by 2 is written as 2 into 5 by 4. That's it. Now this is the form of a plus b whole square. So which is called 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square. And here 1 minus 5 by 4 whole square is there. So what do we get by simplifying that? Just do, I'm doing in the rough one, 1 minus 5 by 4 whole square means 1 minus 5 square means 25 by 4 square means 16. 16 minus 16 minus 20 how much? Minus 9 by 25. So means minus 3 by 5 whole square. So by simplifying this we get how much? 3 by 5 whole square. Now which formula we can apply? 1 by x square minus a square formula should be applied. What is 1 by x square minus a square formula? What is 1 by x square minus a square formula? 1 by integration of 1 by x square minus a square formula. 1 by 2a log of x square minus a square integration. Just now before long questions formula is given. Okay, remember x minus a by x plus a plus c. So using that formula 1 by 2a, here a means 3 by 5. So 1 by a means 3 by 5 into log of x minus a. Here x means 3 plus 5 by 4 minus a means 3 by 5 by a plus x plus b plus c. Simplify this, we get the answer. Do it. Okay. So here 16 minus 16 minus 9. 9 by 16 is there. 9 by 16 is 3 by 4 whole square. So 1 by 2a into x minus a by x plus a. Okay. So 2 to the 4 cancel. Just 1 by 3 is remaining into log of. See here 4 is the denominator. 4 into t, 4t plus 5 minus 3 by here also 4 is the denominator. 4 into t, 4t plus 5 plus 3. 4 gets cancelled. The plus c also can be written is equal 1 by 3 into log of what we are getting 4t plus 5 minus 3 how much? 2 by 4t plus 5 plus 3 8 plus 6. So in the denominator, sorry, here 2 can be taken common, here 2 can be taken common. So by taking 2 in the numerator and denominator, we get 2t plus 1 by 2 table. How much? 2t plus 4. Now substitute what is t? T means what? Then you will not answer. 2 into t means what? Tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into tan x by 2 plus 4 plus 6. Okay. These are the 7 marks questions. In this way we have to split. Even remaining questions also are there. Just 2 or 3 are there. So do in the same way we get the answer. But most probably the first, second, third, fourth are very most important in this integration chapter. Okay. So okay, I would like to say one more problem in this method. Let us take 8th question. Okay, in this method one more problem I am going to say. So next to 2 or 3 are there. You do those problems in this method. 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx integration of. So assume these values and take the question. 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx, which is equal to 1 by sin x means what? 2t by 1 plus t square plus root 3 into cos x means what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square dt. Sorry, dx. dx means what? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So this is called integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is the LCM. Now 2t plus root 3 into 1 root 3 minus root 3 into t square is minus root 3 t square and into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. See, both are cancelled. Remaining 2 is remaining by first I am writing minus root 3 t square, then plus 2t plus root 3 and dt. Okay, so which is taken out common? Minus root 3 is the t square portion. So minus root 3 take out common. So 2 by minus root 3 into integration of 1 by t square minus 2 by root 3 into t plus root 3 can take common and minus common minus 1 dt. So this we have to simplify, which is called 2 by minus root 3 into integration of 1 by. So now t square minus 2 by 2 3. How can we write 2 into something we should write? So simply 2 into 1 by root 3 we can write, and t also can be written. So here a square minus 2ab, b means root 1 by 3 is there. So 1 by root 3 b square added and b square subtracted, and in the middle minus 1 is there, minus 1 right answer into d. That's it. Now this is a minus b whole square. So which is called 2 by minus root 3 into integration 1 by 3 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. And simplifying, what we get, this is minus 1, this is 1 square means 1, no, root 3 square is 3. So 3 1 the 3, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 means minus 2 by root 3 whole square. Okay, minus 2 by root 3 whole square. Am I right? Once check it. Yes, 2 by root 3 whole square. So minus 2 by root 3 whole square into dt. But here minus is there, minus multiply inside. So minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. So we get 2 by root 3 into integration of 1 by 2 by root 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square. So here which formula? We should apply the formula is 1 by a square minus x square dx formula. Generally 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a to log of x plus x minus a by x plus a. But here this is formula is 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x is the formula. So using that formula, 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2a. A means what here? 2 by root 3 into log of a plus x. A means 2 by root 3 plus x means t minus 1 by a minus x. A means 2 by root 3 minus x means minus t plus 1 by 2 and plus. So after simplifying this we can get the answer. Root 3 cancel, 2 cancel, just 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 into log, say 3 is there, root 3 is there. What is the LCM? Root 3, 3 is there. Okay, so 3 is the LCM, root 3 and the 3. Otherwise take 3 root 3. Take 3 root 3. Is it not root 3? Sorry, it is 1 by root 3 square. So root 3 is the denominator. By root 3 we are getting. So 2 already is there, plus t into root 3 means root 3t minus 1. And the denominator also consists of by root 3 term. So 2 root 3 into t root minus root 3t plus 1. So root 3 cancel. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes? Is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 2 minus 1 is 1 plus root 3t. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus root 3t. So this is the answer. Now substitute. What do you mean by t? T means what? 1 plus root 3 into tan x by 2 by 3 minus root 3 into tan x by 2. So this is the answer. So these are the few questions based on this method, and 2 more problems are there, I think. So we can do the same way. Definitely we can. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are currently watching, and also please share with your friends. Click the like button and give comment. Thank you. And in the next part we have again started important 7 marks question. So another method 2. So I told you in the beginning of long questions, in each every method, the beginning questions are very most important. In method 1, in this method 1, we have 10 questions. Out of 10, 4 are very most. In next method 2, we just have 4 or 5 problems. Okay, those are also important. Next method 3 is there. Just 3 methods are there. One long question. Actually, from this chapter we have 2 long questions, 2 very short questions. So 2 very short questions are completed. We are in long questions. So for the remaining long questions, just wait and watch the next video of integration long questions. Thank you. Okay. So these 2 are not taught in this, but you can solve these 2 problems. Of course, it is third long question it involves. Okay. So do it. Those are the answers. The next part we will discuss this type of questions, and this is very important problem. Integration of 6x plus 5 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. So we can learn in the next part. Okay. Thank you.